Hey, I'm Uncle Orly. This is Mo. This is Mike. That's Moose. And we're going on a journey. So we've been on the road now about 3 weeks and really starting to get the feel for where everything goes, how everything works. I've used everything at least once. And so I thought we'd show you a little bit of the kitchen, which is normal except for my Berkey. And then I really want to show you this, the T that's in GSST, which is our toilet. It's very cool. So the boys are in here with me all the time. And so when we got to move around, okay, we just all shift in place. So Mike, go on, move. All right, we're going to deploy the toilet. So the toilet's in the garage storage system. And it's really pretty innovative. You got to get this up out of the way and open up the shower stall. Now I keep a lot of storage down there. Of course, all of this gets pulled out. All right, but then the toilet deploys, and it's a marvel. I'll tell you. It packages up your stuff and drops it out the bottom in a plastic bag that's you pick it up and you throw it away. It's truly a beautiful thing. So if you're looking for a Storyteller Overland vehicle, you're probably wondering, how does everything work? Well, once you get in it, you'll see the convertible nature of everything in here makes it just super useful in a small package. I've come up with about 9 scenarios that I think I'm going to need. Everything from lounging and watching a movie, to using the bathroom, to taking a shower or cooking, or deploying the desk, which you've seen in other videos. So have a look at where I put my monitor, because I'm not hanging it from the Canyon Adventure rack up front. I put it back in the back on an arm. And so it can sit like it does now, or it can turn when I deploy the desk, or it can turn the other way when I'm laying in bed. So it works out really, really great. So this is a 1 human, 2 dog van. And what I've done is I've taken the passenger compartment and I've converted it so that the dogs have more space. Typically Mo, while we're driving, stands up here and is able to have the whole floor space up at this level, so he can be comfortable and look out the windows. And he spends all his time jumping back and forth between the Groove Lounge and this chair, checking out the cows and horses and everything else. Works out really well. And it's more storage. All right, so we're back on the back end here. And we were talking about the monitor before, which is sitting up there. But to make the monitor work, we put all the tech back on the back of the GSS. So I've got the Thunderbolt hub, Apple TV, I got a switch, of course power, Philips Hue for the lights that I use under the van, Blink for my camera system, all wired together, nice and neat, so it works. 55 quart freezer, which is great because then I can have lots of food and go get fresh food every few days. I'm not going to use both chairs, so I pulled one of the chairs out from the Canyon Adventure Van chairs because of the freezer here, and we just used the one. And as you can see, every place that I've been able to deploy the fabric that was on the walls that we had taken off because of the new stuff put in here, I put on the back doors, put underneath the seat or the bed part that goes up. And my life has now been reduced to pockets.